Okay, people, I said I'd come back. I really feel like trash today. Wheel cylinders in. Brake hose is on and in place. Sorry if the focus isn't the best. So we're just waiting on our crush washer kit because nothing came with its washers like it's supposed to. So I can't put the banjo bolt in to put that on. Now the only one that didn't need it up top is this one. So this wheel cylinder is in. On. God, this car, I love this car already. It's coming out so nice. This thing's gonna ride like a dream. It really is. Okay, I'm not gonna make this one long. I just really don't feel good, guys. I'm sorry. And I don't wanna bore you guys with me whining. So we're gonna try and at least get a little bit more done. I've gotta do the center link yet, so I gotta beat that all apart. I've gotta clean off all the schmegma there so that I can get the bolts to break free so that I can break that off and get it taken care of. I gotta re-push this brake line back in again because of all the moving around up there and setting everything on the other side. It'll take me a couple tries, but I'll make it right. So, okay guys, I'm just gonna let you go. I'll keep you informed as I can. Yeah,